So, you have a product idea. Pursuing an idea into a reality can be a wonderful experience, but it takes a lot of hard work, and there are a few things you need to know before you get started. My name is John Mizell, and Project Product is a set of videos that helps walk you through the process of taking an idea and making it a success. There are 9 videos that go along with Project Product. Videos ranging from market research, patent and trademark searching, product design, business operation, creating a website, video for crowdfunding, campaigning the campaign, and order fulfillment. So let's first talk about your idea. Products or services that solve a problem tend to be more successful than those that are just novelties. I'm a high school science teacher, and when a student approaches me about a product idea, I tell them to focus on the problem it solves. I'll have some students that just want to make something new, and I always direct them back to finding a shared problem first. If you're one of these individuals that just want to make something new, but don't have an idea yet, focus on finding the problem to solve first. Once you find a problem, you can do market research on the current solutions to see your competitors and your competition. Knowing the competition or current solutions at that problem or for that problem, you can find problems with the current solutions. Once you find a great flaw or something missing in the current solutions, you'll end up with your invention. Someone in product development world once said to me, "In product development, there is no such thing as a revolution, just evolution." And this makes sense. Projects tend to change in small differences over time. Stick with that course of action, finding a problem to solve, the current solutions to that problem, then problems with the current solutions, and you'll end up with your invention, and I promise you won't fail. Not sure on a problem? There are a couple ways that you can research shared problems. You can first create a broad survey to survey your friends through Facebook, asking them what are your problems, or is there anything you wish that someone would fix or make better. You can easily make surveys with Google Forms or SurveyMonkey. With Google Forms, it's really easy. You create a Gmail account, and if you already have one, then you're one step ahead. Log into your Gmail account, like I've logged in here, and then once you've logged in, look at the top. You want to find Drive. Click on Drive, and it'll bring you to this screen. And you'll notice down here that I already have some surveys completed. To create a new form or survey, you click the Create button on the left side. It'll bring down a drop-down box and click Form. Once you've clicked Form, it'll bring up your survey. Give it a title at the top, Survey. Next box down is just a little description of your survey. Help me research shared problems. And then down below you can start with your first question. This first question is open for me to edit. Just get rid of sample question 1. And then you can type in, what are your problems? And then from there you can give that a brief description if you would like. I'm not going to with this one. And then you can determine or choose a question type. It has here a simple one-word text. You can do paragraph, multiple choice, or check boxes. Let's do paragraph because we want people to describe their problems. Then once you've done that, you're going to click this box here to make it required. So they have to answer something in here before they can submit. Then once you've done that, you can go ahead and hit done. And then go on to the next question. Sample question 2. Then you want to edit that. So you'll click the edit button. And then you want to type, is there anything you wish someone would fix or make better? And then from there again we want paragraph, and then make it a, and then hit done. And if you want another one after that, you hit this button in between the edit and the trash, and it'll bring up another one. Once you finish, go ahead and hit save, and you want to copy this link down below. Alright, this is the link that you are then going to paste. Let's open up a new tab here, go to Facebook. Facebook here, go to my profile. And then, so it loads up, here we go. You just paste that link in here. And then you can post it, and when people click it, they will complete your survey. Then to see what they've answered and their results, once you go back to your Gmail, you'll see these down here, and those are the surveys. Here I've created 2. We're going to do the second one that's most recent. You click that. And then here, it'll show you as an Excel spreadsheet what they have answered. Another way that you could do this is just by making a hard copy survey and then handing those out to people to fill out. But I suggest using the Google Forms just because how easy it is. And we will be talking more about surveys in the market research video. Alright, there are a couple things that you want to do with each of these videos or areas or topics. One, you want to complete the task for each video, and those will be clearly marked as tasks. You want to watch the videos for more information to tell you how to complete the different tasks. They'll go through detailed step-by-step procedures on how to finish those tasks. And then also check out the additional websites and additional links and documents on our website. The first task for this video is find and research your problem. Like just explained just before, how to create surveys to survey people on these problems. That's what you want to do with the research, but also finding a problem. You really want to listen in to what people complain about or certain things that you might have issues with. So finding a problem is the first part, and then research to see if it's a shared problem, if other people agree that this is some issue that they're having as well. So that's the first task you need to complete for this first video. Some of the websites for surveying, we talked about Google Forms, showed you how to do that. Another survey is SurveyMonkey. That's another one that helps you analyze your data at the end. Google Forms doesn't as much help you analyze, but SurveyMonkey does. Or you could just do it old school and make a hard copy and have people fill them out by hand. Like I said before, if you give them something in return, more than likely they will fill it out. That's how you'll get people to fill out your surveys. Alright, we are on the verge of another creative renaissance. You can see here with some Kickstarter projects that have been successful. And never before have we been able, as designers and product developers, been able to connect so easily with our end users. We don't have to go through those middlemen anymore with retail channels, investors, and the really difficult part of product development. We're now at a point where we can connect directly. And some of these projects are examples of that. So I hope you enjoy. Keep check out all the other videos, and shoot me an email if you have any questions.